It is indeed another grand time that the good Lord has given us to, you guessed it right, shop, 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 and do feel good about it. And in case you're wondering who this is, I'm your host, Florence Ndongo. While today I will be taking you back to the kitchen because I believe that I have an amazing product that is going to ensure that you cook healthy, tasty meals within the shortest time possible. How, you may wonder? It's because Philips has come up with a frying instrument that they claim can cook the kind of meals that would traditionally be drunken inside a deep fryer by using a fresh technology. And you may never guess what that is. It's actually hot air. But before that, I give more information onto this product. I am more than glad to introduce Chef Daniel on the show. Welcome, Chef.
Thank you so much, Flo. I'm also very glad to be here.
Yeah, I'm happy to have you on the show.
Thank you so much.
Well, for you to purchase any product that you may have seen previously or even now on this show, all that you have to do is call or send a text message to order. The numbers are right there on your screen. You can choose to pay for the product through the M-Pesa or Equity Bank account numbers on your screen. I cannot fail to mention about our first-class customer care service. Once you make your order, the product will be delivered to you in less than 48 hours after payment. Delivery is absolutely free. If you are within Nairobi, that is. We are as well giving you an opportunity to shop online. Our website is www.gbstvhomeshopping.com. Follow us on Twitter and like our Facebook page as well.
Hey, hey, hey!
Look who's here!
This is so good to have you, Chef and Florence, on the show, and of course, an outstanding state-of-the-art product. Yes, we are here to make you enjoy your shopping. It's fun, easy, and convenient only if you get to shop the GBS TV Home Shopping way. Well, Philips actively explores unique and creative ways to transform the space you live in, relax your mind, improve the way you take care of your body, and enhance your appearance. By enriching your experiences in these key domains, they are elevating technology to far from more enriching and personal levels, you know.
Yes, that's very true, Winnie. We are absolutely introducing to you the quickest, healthiest, yet surprisingly very economical way of cooking, the Philips air fryer.
Chef, what do you think? You love the product?
It's a wonder machine. This is a wonder machine, as
well,
you can see.
Today's product is out of this world. Like I said, I tell you guys, it is a new product being introduced for the very, very first time right here in Kenya, and we are honored to have it right here on this show. So let me take you through the air fryer. Quite beautiful. Florence, what do you think?
Very beautiful indeed.
Yeah, it's quite simple. It has two knobs right over here. This knob right over here is for the temperature. Of course, Chef is gonna tell us what it does, and we have the timer right over here. So if the food takes 10 minutes, you just set it to 10 minutes. And once you're done, the bell will ring. So let's open it. Right over here, we have the
basket
for cooking, and right here we have the knob, the release knob, and of course the air fryer comes with a food separator. So if you are cooking two types of food, don't worry, the flavors will not mix.
They won't.
Yes. Florence, what do you think? Quite an outstanding state-of-the-art product that everyone should have in their kitchen. I know you have a lot of questions to ask.
Yeah, I do, Winnie. And let me tell you, Chef, being a Christian, I do believe that Jesus turned water into wine. And now you right here on this show, you want to tell Winnie and I that you're going to prepare the kind of meals that would leave someone drooling without using oil.
Definitely. Okay, not without using, but we're using just 1 tablespoon of oil per 500 grams of maybe fries.
And we're talking about fries, you know?
Yes. And not only fries, like as you can see, what I'm putting in is bananas, fries, anything. Yeah.
And what other kind of foods apart from fries?
It can do chicken, it can do meatballs, it can do croquettes, it can do samosas, anything, steaks, anything.
Brownies.
Yes.
So this is definitely something you need to have in your house. You know what? People are every day becoming more conscious of what they eat. I like saying you are what you eat. Sadly enough, there are still people who know this but cannot control it. Come on, we all love fries. I love fries. You know what? It is time to eat and eat fries. I said fries on a daily basis without having to worry about your weight and health. Like Chef said, it only uses 1 tablespoon of oil.
It does. Only 1 tablespoon of oil, and
You're good to go.
yeah, you get to eat your fries with up to 80% less fat.
Wow, fantastic.
You know what, guys? I really want to own this air fryer, but I'm curious, how does it work?
It uses rapid air.
Yeah, rapid air technology, which combines with, you know, fast circulating hot air with a grill.
One thing I like about food prepared in the air fryer is that the food is exceptionally delicious and crispy on the outside without being dry on the inside. And another cool factor that you should know is that it is safe for those people who fear seeing hot boiling oil, you know. The moments that we've all been waiting for, you know. We're just waiting for the fries to be ready because we'll just hear that bell ring.
Exactly. I can't wait to not only see but taste the fries.
And it's not about only fries, because you can bake, we'll show them all these other foods that we have on the table.
There you
There we are!
Yeah.
Wow!
Now, the moment you've all been waiting
Yeah,
for.
we'll just
Let's
open
see.
it up.
Voila!
Wow.
Wow!
Look at that.
Look at
that.
this! I love the way it has brown.
Awesome.
Very nice.
Oh my goodness.
And the good thing about it, you're using a separator, so you've done 2 different types of the bananas and the potatoes.
And the potatoes,
Yes.
because it uses the same time,
Yeah,
amount of time.
Yeah, the same time.
Wow,
And again, whenever you're using this, be aware. Don't put your hand under it, otherwise
it's
gonna
pretty
burn.
hot.
Yeah,
You'll be
it's really
burned,
hot. Yeah.
yeah.
Good. So
Yeah.
now what we do, now we are ready to do the other foods.
The other recipes.
Yes. So we can remove this. We can put the bananas here, and you haven't tried the bananas. You see, they're so properly roasted. Very nice. This is something you just don't get in your house every day.
Yeah, exactly.
Because nothing can do this better than this machine.
Well, guys, if perhaps you're stumped for ideas, do not let your heart be troubled, because once you buy this air fryer, it comes with an inspiring recipe booklet written by a culinary expert that contains 30 easy to prepare recipes. You can achieve restaurant quality dishes right in your home. And the best part is that absolutely anyone can do this. On GBS TV Home Shopping. You can say we are revolutionizing cooking.
So, Chef, final words?
Anyone who doesn't have this machine in their house by now, they don't know what they're missing.
Yeah.
Exactly, it is a must-have product in your house.
Well, as you can see what this air fryer can prepare, I have on my plate meatballs. What do you have on your plate?
I have the bananas, I have the fries, and of course the chicken that you saw me
chicken?
testing
Yeah.
earlier.
And Florence, the croquette.
Exactly, not forgetting the sweet samosas. I told you guys there are geniuses over there at Philips, always trying to bring the best to their customers, like this air fryer, we say.
Yeah, what I like about this air fryer is that you only use a tablespoon of oil. It is safe, it is economical, and you get to prepare different dishes, you know?
And it's a must.
Yeah, it's a must-have.
Yeah.
Product in your kitchen, you must have this. If you know how this tastes, you must have these things in
Yeah,
your
we have to
kitchen.
insist on it can bake brownies, cakes, you know,
Yes.
even cook eggs.
You don't limit your experiment in the kitchen. You know, just try and see what you can
Whatever
do
you
a lot
feel
more.
like
Yeah.
cooking, just try it.
Even a
I'm
steak.
telling you, it will work.
At the most affordable price right here on GBS TV Home Shopping, you need to make that call and order for this Philips air fryer. I have to insist, it's economical, it is cheap, it is safe. We have a collection point. There are 2, one at Luna Park and the other one at Yala Towers. Get us on Twitter and Facebook. You can shop online as well on www.gbstvhomeshopping.com. Don't save your money, save your health. What do we have to do, guys? Let's taste.
Let's test.
But until then,
Bye.
There's a whole new way to create the best tasting fries without the oil, just with air. Introducing the Philips Air Fryer. For fabulous fries, just add air.